What's up, guys? Madmikescustom. Like and subscribe. Check out the video. It's gonna be a short flick, real quick, but 1991 Chevrolet Corvette, base model, 5.7, fuel injected. Yeah, let's get to it. So we'll come back to this. We'll be making a video on the fuel pump. Just wanted to kind of show an overlay for the videos to come. Fuel pump connector. My black wire for the ground to the fuel pump, and I tapped into this gray wire, which is my positive, to the fuel pump. I got the universal fuel pump also from Napa. Little hints in here if you guys want to see the next video. But yeah, base model 5.7, universal one. Works like a dream. Ugh. Sorry. It's real heavy, guys. Just taking this for documentation, just to show. It's got it running. Next, I'm gonna get it detailed. I have some professional friends that'll detail it. Put an optimum battery in it, new alternator in it,